Discover the transformative power of installing multiple Starlink antennas on your maritime vessel. Starlink Maritime by SpaceX already offers high-speed, low-latency satellite connectivity at sea, but multiple antennas take it to the next level. With enhanced signal stability and redundancy, multiple antennas ensure continuous connectivity. Even if one antenna faces obstructions or adverse weather conditions, the other antennas maintain a stable signal, crucial for uninterrupted communication. Distributing data across several antennas increases your yacht's internet speeds and bandwidth. This is perfect for commercial operations, research vessels, and luxury yachts needing robust internet for streaming, data processing, and communication. In challenging environments, multiple antennas optimize connectivity, ensuring your vessel remains connected even in the toughest conditions. Seamless transitions between satellites are another advantage. Multiple antennas minimize latency and interruptions, providing a consistent internet experience on board. Enhanced connectivity leads to better decision-making, optimized routes, and improved safety, thanks to reliable real-time data and communication. Installation and configuration are simplified. Concord Marine Electronics supports an easy installation process and user-friendly configuration, ensuring a smooth setup for your yacht. Investing in multiple antennas is cost-effective in the long run. It helps avoid costly downtimes and enhances overall efficiency and safety at sea. Multiple Starlink antennas offer a significant advancement in maritime communication, providing enhanced stability, speed, and efficiency. To keep your vessel connected and productive, consider adopting this technology with Concord Marine Electronics.